Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade weapon. Okay, you'll need these cotton sticks and this clip, it's of course toy, with this thing right here, I don't know how to say. It has to be full functional. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Wait a second. First take this cotton stick and remove these white parts. Do it right now. Wait a second. Okay. Like this. See? The other one. Okay, now take the clip, get this thing here, you see, load it, and you are ready to take a shot. Let's check it out. Okay, now let's test it. First, we get it loaded, you know. Then we take our target and aim, fire. As you can see, it's full functional. So please leave your comments in comment section and see you next time. Okay, that's all.